Got this stand here I'm about to use, and I wanted to record it here because it shows how you can use it with different devices, and vertically and horizontally. And I think this was just $1 at the Dollar Tree. So yeah, I thought it could only go for the phone, but the back says you could go for the iPad too, or a pad or a tablet. So yeah, there you go. $1 phone holder or tablet holder. So that's what I'm about to set up and record some Happy Mail from Omo Oshun 9460. Thank you so much.